My name is Badr. I'm originally from Morocco and I've been in China since 2004. And when I opened it, I had a partner who was from Ningxia. So me being from Morocco, where we have the Sahara, him being from Ningxia, there's also a desert. We have the deserts that connected the two countries, and the old Silk Road went through the desert. And the earliest form of diplomacy was with caravans, people riding camels to go from one place to the other. Mint tea is Morocco's national drink. We drink mint tea every day. Morocco is the #1 customer of China for green tea. That's a lot of tea. And it's built into the cultures. These are the 3 basic ingredients. Gunpowder tea from China, fresh mint, sugar, and hot water. Voila. We never stir everything inside on its own. We actually do it naturally. We just keep pouring the tea in and out and looking at the color every time, smelling it until we feel that we have the right nose for it. Et voila, this is the Moroccan mint tea. A lot of people think Moroccan food is Arabic food, but it's not. Moroccan food is more Mediterranean. Now we're looking at Morocco's essential dishes and the tagines. We've got 2 of our best-selling tagines here at Caravan, and we start with the amazing and simple kifta bilbid. Now, kifta means meatballs, and bid is egg. So it's a tagine of meatballs and eggs, slowly simmered and cooked in tomato sauce, and a lot of spices, as you can smell. We have our Casablanca-style classic lemon chicken tagine. So preserved lemons, beautiful olives, and chicken that's been cooked in the tagine for at least 5 hours so that the meat falls off the bone. You don't need a knife to eat this. As the Belt and Road Initiative started, Morocco and China also have now an agreement where travel to Morocco is visa-free for the Chinese. So both events have actually helped the business tremendously because now people are more aware of Morocco. And especially if you're gonna go to Morocco, you want to try Moroccan food first to know if you're gonna take some fan bien mien with you or not. So you come to me here and have some food and ask me and go, okay, how is the food? What should we eat in Morocco? The way I see it, it's like, it's a modern day Silk Road to reconnect the people.